Karbi Anglong, are you having fun? And now the time has come for you to witness that you all have been waiting for. All right, how many people waiting for Sunidhi? That's right. Before we go live, for Sunidhi Chauhan, DJ Wala Babu, we had one song to be played so that everybody can dance together, right? One more time. One more time. DJ, can we play the music? Ready to dance with me? Sure? Are you sure? Everybody in the center, come on, that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, give you a wave up to the man himself, Rico Rivo! Thank you so much, you were really amazing. Thank you so much guys for coming, I guess Sunil मैंने समय है मैंने आपको songs completely नहीं किया था फिर भी thank you guys, love you. We definitely want to see you come back one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, the name who started pursuing a passion of singing at the age of 5 and made her career debut at the age of 30 to winning the first reality show titled Meri Awaaz Suno. And ever since, hum sab unki awaaz sun rahe hain. Uske baad came the song Ruki Ruki Si Hai Zindagi from the movie Must, jisse hum sab ki zindagi mano ruk si gayi. फिर होना क्या था? इस आवाज ने पूरे हिंदुस्तान में धूम मचा दिया। पीड़ी जलाइले से लेकर शीला की जवानी तक, कमली से लेकर पुष्पा झुके नहीं साला तक, और मुंबई से लेके दिल्ली तक इस आवाज ने आप सबको कहने पे मजबूर कर दिया, क्या मुझसे शादी करोगी? Awards पे awards और सारे award ceremony में Sunidhi. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you and to make you fall in love one more time, coming live, the Desi girl, Sunidhi Chauhan, in just 5 minutes from now.
तो अभी के लिए आप सबके सामने प्रस्तुत है लेजर शो। Can we have the laser show start up?
Right, ladies and gents, Karbi Anglong people, now you're going to witness something that you've never ever seen before. That's right, today as we gather to celebrate the historic